Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 screen won't turn on issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, swipe down and open Control Center, and after that restart your mobile. Now click on this restart icon, and after restarting, go back to your home screen and open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management, and after that scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset all settings, and then again click on reset settings to confirm, and after that enter your lock screen passcode.